guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'll be showing you how I lay my wigs quick and easy without using any hair glue, lace glue, any type of adhesive. I'll just be using the Got To Be Glued gel and then the Got To Be Glued Freeze Blast spray. So these two together. Next you're going to take scissors and you're only going to cut along the perimeter of your lace wig. I did have to go off camera and cut off the lace because I didn't want to cut the lace while it was on my head. That just freaks me out. I know I see a lot of people doing it, but I just didn't want to risk it. If you don't have makeup on, you could also use alcohol. 91 proof alcohol is also good. You just want to make sure that you're laying your lace on a clean surface. And it depends on like how far you like to take your wig down. I have a huge forehead, so I have a lot of space to take this wig down. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. The ear tabs on this wig was like the perfect length, so I legit do not need to cut it any more than I need to. So it's perfect. Next thing I'm gonna do is adjust the adjustable straps so that way it's fitted and sized to my head properly. I like it a little secure, you know. Instead of the Got To Be Glue gel, you could also use their hairspray. They have a really nice one, but honestly I feel like this holds better than the hairspray. In my opinion, the only thing with this gel, once it's dried up, it's like ugh. With the hairspray you can just literally like wet it and then it dissolves when you're ready to take it off. This is like a little bit more like goopy, so it's a little bit harder to clean up the wigs. So I'm just gonna hook the wig with the combs in the back of them. You can use your finger, you can use a popsicle stick, you can use a Q-tip. I'm just gonna use the end of this baby hair brush, the comb end, and put it on with, and I'm just lathering it up. And I usually do 2 layers, but not thick layers, very thin layers, because like I said, this is something you're gonna be taking off literally like at night when you get off work or something, or you just want to snatch your wig off. You know, I hardly ever put lace glue on my wigs on a regular basis, only if it's like a hairstyle like I really love and I want it to look super snatched, you know, super laid, then yeah, I'll do that. I'm just going to take a little bit of water I put in a spray bottle, and you're just going to spray the edges so that way you can control it a little bit more, because these baby hairs are getting everywhere. So I decided I was going to put my hair up to just keep it out of the way while I'm working on my edges. So I'm just using the baby hair comb and I'm brushing all the hairs out of my face. I'm taking a little bit of that Got To Be sprayed and I'm putting that on my edges to help secure the lace a little bit more better. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take this scarf and I'm going to wrap it around my hair, just around the edges so that way it's a little bit more secure. And you're going to leave this for about 5 minutes. Depends on how secure you want it to be, 10 minutes, whatever. It just helps it to lay flat and not lift as it's drying. Okay, so now we're going to fix this because I just don't like how this is looking up here. So I decided to go with the side part. This is actually my favorite way to wear my hair. And I like to do a right hand side part to accentuate the best side of my face. You know, the good side. So now I'm just taking a little bit of hairspray and I'm spraying that directly onto the wig so that way I can tame some of those flyaway hairs and make sure everything is laid down nice and smooth. I don't do baby hairs, however, I do like the little sideburns, so I'm going to show you guys how to do that after. Like, take the hair and push it back behind my ears, like so. And I take the comb and I section off, like, just a little piece. Like I said, the hair be shedding anyways. Not off of every wig, but it's lace, so I feel like that is kind of like what, that just happens. That just comes with it. So I'm just going to take a hair clip and just kind of clip that back. Next, I'm taking an eyebrow razor to cut my baby hairs. You can use the scissors if you want, but the main goal is to just make sure that the baby hairs are even and natural looking. You can make this as short or as long as you want to, whatever you prefer. Now we're gonna get the flat iron in, because right now it looks good. I'm just gonna spray a little bit more hairspray in my hair kind of help tame that. Next, I'll be taking my silicone mix hair serum, and it's more like it's a hair polish and a serum, I guess you could say. And I'm just using a little bit of this. This is just gonna help to like tame the hairs, help it get ready for, you know, flat ironing and all that good stuff. So I got my flat iron. This one is from Remington. I actually got it at Walgreens. It was like 20 bucks. So I'm just running my hair through the flat iron back and forth. I don't want it to be pin straight. I just want it to be a little bit more sleek. This hair is already silky straight enough. I promise you, you won't really need to flat iron it that much. The hair is flat ironing really good though. As I'm flat ironing this hair, I'm actually going in with more of an angle towards the ends. So that way when I'm done with the whole styling process, you could actually see the layers that I created with this cut. And you can do your baby hairs the way you prefer. You don't have to do them my way. I've seen people do them so many different ways. So just basically do it to the way you like. I'm just going back in and readjusting any of the baby hairs that I did not like and making sure that they're all cute and popping and on swim. So now I'm just taking a little bit of that got to be glued hairspray and I'm just applying that towards the front of my hair and making sure that all the flyaways are laid flat before I put my scarf on. So this is the last and final step. I just put my scarf back on so that way the baby hairs, my edges, and everything is laying smooth and flat, and it's going to help to make it more secure. Alright you guys, I am back, and basically this is how the hair came out. I'm super pleased with it. It looks so cute. Like, I love the length, I love the layers. This is super easy to achieve, guys. You've seen in the video, it's super easy. And this is why I love Bestlacewigs. They have good quality hair for like a really cheap price, but it's so inexpensive and it's really good. Ever since I purchased wigs from them, like about what, 3 years ago, I've been hooked. So I've been a loyal customer to them for 3 years now. They don't only sell wigs, they have bundles, closures, frontals, full lace wigs, 360 lace wigs, U-part wigs, hair accessories, whatever you need, they got it. I'm just obsessed, and I definitely am glad that I added some baby hairs to this because I don't think I'll be feeling it this much. And I didn't even have to bleach the knots. It blends so nice, and for me to wear a blonde wig, I feel like it definitely has to have dark roots. I can't just wear it straight blonde for some reason. I feel very awkward. I feel just weird doing it. It has the highlights and all that good stuff. Alright you guys, that is it for the video. If you enjoyed this tutorial on how I lay my wigs without glue, nice, easy, and quick, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for giving my channel love and support.